Welcome back. Congress MP Shantaram Naik is shocked as state government has refused for a separate IS cadre for Goa. State government has written a letter to the union government making its stand clear on the issue. The information was revealed when MP Naik sought reply from Rajya Sabha on a cadre for Goa. Sessions on Friday passed a resolution for a separate cadre for Manipura and Tripura. Naik has claimed that CM Parrikar had earlier shown inclination towards separate cadre for Goa. The CM seems to have taken a U-turn now.
आज राज्यसभेत एक विधेयक ज्या विधेयकानुसार मणिपूर आणि त्रिपुरा या दोन राज्यांत ITS तो इंडियन फॉरेस्ट सर्व्हिस तो सेपरेट कॅडर तांकां दिला. हे विधेयक आज पास झाले आणि ह्या विधेयकाचेर काँग्रेस पक्षातर्फे केवळ मिस्टर मणिशंकर अय्यर हे उलयल्ले. पूण म्हाका इंटरव्यून करून एक प्रश्न विचारपाचो चान्स मेळ्ळो. तातूंत हांवें मंत्र्याक विचारले की गोंयांक तुमी कॅडर कितें दिलें ना. तेन्ना ताणें म्हाका उत्तर दिलें. तें शॉकिंग आशिल्लें. कारण हांवें सांगलें मंत्र्यान सांगलें गोंय सरकारान आमकां बरयलां की आमकां फाटीं म्हणजे मनोहर पर्रीकरान एक स्टेटमेंट केलेलो की तांची सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन बाचाबाची जाल्ली तरी ऑफिसराच्या कार्यवाही संबंधी आनी तेन्ना ताणें सांगलें आमकां सेपरेट कॅडर मागचो पडटलो म्हणून. म्हाका दिशिल्लें की स्वता चीफ मिनिस्टर हे सेपरेट कॅडराच्या वोटीन आसात म्हणून. पूण हें पत्र हें शॉकिंग आशिल्लें.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडेंट मीडिया.
Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry will host state-level business plan competition at its office at the end of this month. Young entrepreneurs from Goa will present their business plans and the best 3 Goans will be participating in the national-level competition to be held on 12th January. I Create, a non-profit making organization, will organize the national-level competition.
Similarly, we have started this program through the colleges, and I am happy to say almost all the colleges at the degree level, including the management colleges like Sri Sri Institute in Margaon, have conducted our program of Change the Mindset, where we talk to the students through this program of around 3 to 5 days duration, where the entire gamut of creating a business plan is taught to them, at the end of which the students come out with a amazing business plan, and there is a competition held within the college. Now at the end of the year, the stage has come for hosting the state level business plan competition, which will be held tomorrow, that is 15th of December, and the venue would be Goa Chamber Hall here only.
The winners of this competition, that is the best 3, will go for national level competition of business plan presentation. The national level competition will be held in Goa on 12th January. I Create, a non-profit making organization, will organize a national level competition. The winner of this competition will be representing India at New York. Ullas Kamath, CEO of I Create, tells us more.
There is a global event that takes place every April, and this year it is going to be on April 23rd, and we will announce more details at the National Business Plan competition in the month of January. The focus, and I'm grateful to GCCI, is to catch them young, as we call it. Teach the youth 17 to 22, 23 years of age, who can now think in terms of entrepreneurship, not just necessarily very big businesses.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.